Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Just a little short update from Orlando, Florida, and this will be my last update before I start heading back home. I'm going to make one quick stop up in Virginia to see my kids and grandkids for a few days, and scooting up to New York and jumping on a flight back to Philippines. Going through Qatar. So I will probably blog a little bit on my way back home. I'm also going to do a quick blog, of course, with my family in Virginia and give some updates from there. It actually has been quite an eventful 2 weeks, and many of you know that we had a looming hurricane going out in the Atlantic. I think last Tuesday, Wednesday, the projections were that it is actually going to hit Orlando here, and I have a little map how it looked then, so you can take a look at it. And we thought we were going to get hit pretty bad. Anyway, we went out, of course, and we waited till like Wednesday, Thursday, I think it was, to try to get some supplies in case something was going to happen. When we get to the stores, there is no water on the shelves, there is nothing there, so panic set in there with everybody, and everything got off the shelves. Well, we know the story at this point. The hurricane come into Bahamas and stalled out there, and I just want to talk about that for a little bit. I don't know how many of you have been in hurricanes. I have in my past work. I worked for different networks, and I did a lot of satellite uplinks, and we were actually chasing those things. So I've been in quite a few of them, but I've never seen any devastation comparable to this one, except for 1992 when Andoer hit Homestead in Florida, Miami. And I want to make a call to everybody. If you want, you should try to help those people down there. There's thousands of homes that are gone. I saw a number, 20,000 homes are just whacked out. Hurricane number 5 sits for 2 days and pounds. Didn't go anywhere. It didn't move for 2 days almost. Then it took off north. So the event, in that case, I was going to fly out today to Virginia, but that hurricane decided to, instead of coming over Florida, it turned north and started going up. So today they're actually having little feelings of the hurricane in Virginia. So my flight was canceled, so I couldn't get out today. So I had to reschedule, and I'm flying out of here tomorrow morning. If you have the ability, I would look into helping some people in Bahamas. That's a tragedy. I don't have word for it, but I suggest to go to Red Cross and make a donation for that, because it is devastating what I have seen from pictures and friends that have been down there. It is terrible. So if you can do something for the people down there, please go ahead and do so. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a short update today. I'm flying out. I got to get up. It's about 8 p.m. right now, and I got to be on a flight at 5 a.m., so I don't have a whole lot of time. I will try to do some vlogs in Virginia and on my way back home. But once I get home, we're going to get started and start putting out like we did prior to me leaving. We put out, I think, 4 to 5 videos a week, and we're going to get back to that and once I'm back there. If you like our videos and you enjoy what you see, and especially videos from Philippines, I understand that Orlando is not like a big blog thing, and I haven't really had time to go out on the streets here either. But if you like it, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, and you get some notifications for now, I'm going to say bye-bye. I see you in the next video. I'll try to put one out here in a couple of days. God bless. See you soon.